Look, since the draw was made and all of this week, um, we were saying how it's going to be a difficult game, and it was, until we scored the 1-0 and until we started dominating physically. I think it was complicated. We found it difficult to create chances, but we were very concentrated at the back, and we knew as long as we stay focused, sooner or later we will score one or two goals. So overall we are very pleased.
Направихте няколко промени в стартовия състав в сравнение с последния матч. Успяхте ли да запазите сили за матча срещу Левски събота?
Yes, but not only this. You know, we have. I had the match on Saturday a little bit in the back of my head, of course, but also we have a good squad with many good players, as you saw today. It's very nice to have players who can come from the bench and score. I thought Dante played a very good game in goal. Stoichko, Atanasov and Manolev also, first games from the start after injuries as well. Thought they played well. Another reason to be pleased.
Даде ли заявка с този матч Данте Стипица и с неубедителните изяви на Чернявска за титулярно място?
Look, they're both very good goalkeepers. Like I said, Dante played well today. I personally think that Černiauskas is playing very well this season. So it's a competition, like for many places. Evandro and Morides, Ali and Thiago. This is normal. I haven't thought about it yet.
Какво мислите за играта на Левски сега под ръководството на новия треньор Славиша Стоянович?
Look, they've been very successful. They have the same number of points as we do. And the derby is always a little bit of a different game, because before other games you have to think about motivation and energy and dynamic, you know, and both teams are not always on the same level. But when you know that it's the derby, the biggest game in Bulgarian football, you know that both teams will be very motivated, that both teams will be very active, that both teams want to win this game more than anything, more than any other game in the league. And usually details decide, and I hope that on Saturday the details will be on our side.
Има ли фаворит преди този матч? Може ли да се каже, че някой от двата отбора е фаворит?
A little bit of a boring question. I think you ask it before every derby and everybody tells you the same. Look, one, it's a derby. Two, you know, the teams are on a very similar level. I think three, if you look at the table, it's very difficult to separate the teams at the moment. Like I said, we are going to go out on the pitch with fire in our hearts and do everything we can to win, but also they, and then we'll see on Saturday.